Hey, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services, and in this video I'd like to talk about what it takes to properly get a roof clean and what we can do to restore the look of your Hardie plank lake house. You probably spent a lot of money getting the Hardie boards installed, and these soffit boards are starting to turn black, dingy, a little bit of mold, spider webs, and what we can do is safely and effectively get this entire place washed down from the ground without using high ladders, scaffolding, pressure washer, because we apply a gentle algicide, detergents and surfactants, and we let that dwell. It breaks the stuff down for us, and that actually does the cleaning for us. And then after that we rinse it down with a high volume of water, fresh water, and the house turns out amazing. It's super bright. So if we take a look at over here on the roof, you'll start to see some moss developing. And once you start having moss, where am I? Okay, it's like a weatherman here. Once you start having moss and mildew, lichen growing in your shingles, it's actually got roots growing down in there. And the moment that dries up, it will it'll die, and it'll take some of the enamel granulars with it. So one thing to keep in mind is that you never want to pressure wash a roof nor brush it, or you want to apply a concentrated cleaner on there that kills it, and then from there your black streaks will be all gone. Any moss or lichen you have on your shingles, it'll actually look worse before it gets better. And the reason for that is because it's dead and it's no longer growing. But after that happens, let the hard rains rinse it off, let the sun dry it up, and after 2 or 3 months it should all be gone. It is possible for us to rinse it off. We don't normally suggest it because it still does have the roots down in there, and it could potentially pull some of the granulars with it. Once that happens, the asphalt is further exposed to the sun, your shingles start to dry out, and your roof doesn't last as long. So the soft wash method is the safest way. So if you're in a position where you don't have any of the equipment, cleaners, know-how, ambition, time to do the work yourself, look no further than Multi-Man Services. We're here to serve you in the Lake Geneva, Fontana, Williams, Bay, Madison, Roscoe, Rockford, South Beloit. We're all here. My name is Eddie, owner-operator of the company, and you can always go on our website, request an instant quote, or call 608-999-WASH. Thank you.